In a world that's constantly evolving digitally, cloud storage has become an essential tool for backing up and sharing data. Whether you're a professional, student, or just someone looking for reliable storage options, cloud services have made life a lot easier. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 cloud storage devices that stand out in this year. From seamless integrations with everyday software to generous storage space, we'll break down what makes each of these services worth considering. Kicking off our list at number 1, Google Drive. Google Drive is a household name when it comes to cloud storage. With its seamless integration across Google's ecosystem, it offers a versatile platform for users who are already embedded within Google services. Whether you're using Gmail, Google Docs, or Google Photos, Google Drive is a natural extension of those tools. It's also an excellent choice for personal use and professional collaboration, making it a go-to service for many. Key features: Google Drive offers 15 gigabytes of free storage upon signing up, and its paid plans, Google One, offer up to 2 terabytes of storage. It supports a wide range of file types, including documents, images, audio files, and videos. Google Drive integrates well with Google Workspace apps like Docs, Sheets, and Slides, allowing you to create, store, and collaborate on files in real time. Another standout feature is the ease with which you can share files with others via a simple link. Benefits and usage. One of the primary benefits of Google Drive is its collaboration features. Teams can work on shared documents simultaneously, leave comments, and even suggest edits. It's perfect for work environments where multiple users need to access, edit, and share files. Additionally, Google Drive makes file access across devices, phones, tablets, and computers quick and easy. Usability. Google Drive is easy to set up, with apps available for Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. It syncs automatically, so you never have to worry about manually uploading files. If you use other Google services like Gmail, it's an effortless experience to move files between them. You can also download and install the Google Drive app for offline access to your files. Durability. Google Drive is known for its reliability and uptime. With Google's infrastructure in place, your files are stored securely with multiple backup systems. It uses robust encryption, both at rest and in transit, ensuring your data is protected. Though Google has occasionally made changes to its storage plans, overall, it remains a dependable and secure option. In the second spot, we have Dropbox. Dropbox has long been a leader in the cloud storage space, known for its simplicity and ease of use. It's an ideal service for users who need reliable cloud storage with a focus on file synchronization and sharing. Dropbox shines when it comes to collaborative work environments, thanks to its powerful sharing features and seamless integration with third-party apps. Key features: Dropbox offers 2 gigabytes of free storage, with paid plans starting at 2 terabytes of space. It offers advanced file sharing capabilities, such as password protection and file expiration dates, making it perfect for business use. Dropbox desktop app automatically syncs files across all your devices, and its Smart Sync feature allows you to save space on your computer by storing files online and downloading them when needed. Dropbox also integrates with apps like Slack, Zoom, and Microsoft Office. Benefits and usage. The main advantage of Dropbox is its file synchronization across devices. Once installed, Dropbox syncs your files across computers, smartphones, and tablets, ensuring you always have access to your data. The sharing features are also top-notch, making it ideal for teams or businesses working on collaborative projects. Whether you're sharing a photo album with friends or collaborating on a presentation, Dropbox simplifies the process. Usability. Dropbox is easy to use, with a user-friendly interface on both the web and its apps for Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. The file management system is straightforward, with options to organize and search for files easily. It also supports drag-and-drop functionality for uploading files, making it simple for anyone to start using. Durability. Dropbox reliability is one of its strongest points. It's built on a robust infrastructure with multiple data centers, offering excellent uptime and data security. Files are encrypted using AES-256 encryption both in transit and at rest, and Dropbox also offers 2-factor authentication for added security. It's a proven service that businesses and individuals trust to store their important files. Coming in at number 3 is the OneDrive. OneDrive, developed by Microsoft, is tightly integrated with the Windows operating system and Microsoft 365 suite, making it an excellent choice for users already immersed in the Microsoft ecosystem. It's a solid choice for both personal and business use, offering seamless synchronization with Windows 10 and 11, as well as robust file management features. Key features: OneDrive offers 5 GB of free storage with the option to upgrade to 100 GB or 1 TB via Microsoft 365 plans. OneDrive's integration with Microsoft 365 allows users to access, edit, and collaborate on Word, Excel, and PowerPoint documents directly within OneDrive. It also provides file versioning, allowing you to revert to previous versions of documents. OneDrive supports automatic backup of photos and videos from mobile devices and offers an option to store files in the personal vault for extra security. Benefits and usage: OneDrive is perfect for anyone who uses Microsoft's suite of productivity tools. The integration between OneDrive and Microsoft 365 allows users to work on documents in real time with colleagues and sync files across devices. For Windows users, OneDrive is a natural choice, as it is already built into the operating system and offers seamless syncing and storage management. Usability: setting up OneDrive is easy, especially for Windows users, as it's built into the operating system. Once configured, it syncs files automatically and makes them accessible from any device. OneDrive also has apps for iOS and Android, making it easy to access and upload files while on the go. The interface is clean and straightforward, with drag-and-drop capabilities for uploading files. Durability: OneDrive's integration with Microsoft's cloud infrastructure ensures high reliability and security. Microsoft offers end-to-end encryption for your files, with two-factor authentication to safeguard your account. OneDrive's uptime is very high, and the service's overall durability is one of its major selling points for personal and business use. Taking our 4th spot is iCloud. iCloud, developed by Apple, is an excellent choice for those who are heavily invested in the Apple ecosystem. If you use an iPhone, iPad, Mac, or any other Apple device, iCloud seamlessly syncs your photos, documents, and settings across all your devices. While iCloud is often associated with Apple devices, it's also available on Windows, making it a great choice for anyone who needs easy, integrated cloud storage. Key features: iCloud offers 5 GB of free storage, with additional storage options available through paid plans. iCloud integrates deeply with Apple's native apps, including Photos, Mail, and Notes. It also syncs documents across devices, ensuring you always have access to the latest version of your files. The iCloud Drive allows for file storage and organization, and it also features an option to store backups of your devices. iCloud offers excellent photo storage capabilities, automatically backing up your pictures and videos from Apple devices. Benefits and usage: iCloud excels in its integration with Apple devices, making it ideal for users who rely heavily on iPhones, Macs, and other Apple products. The ability to sync photos, files, and even app data across multiple devices is one of iCloud's main selling points. Additionally, iCloud provides a simple way to back up your iPhone or iPad data, ensuring that you don't lose any important information when upgrading your devices. Usability: iCloud is easy to set up, especially for users already in the Apple ecosystem. The service automatically syncs data across devices, so once you've set it up, there's little else to do. iCloud Drive also works seamlessly with apps like Pages, Numbers, and Keynote. For Windows users, iCloud has a downloadable app that integrates into the file system, offering a simple way to access iCloud Drive on your PC. Durability: iCloud's durability is backed by Apple's robust infrastructure. The service offers strong encryption to protect your data, both in transit and at rest. iCloud also features two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. With its constant updates and Apple's commitment to privacy and security, iCloud is a reliable option for those who need seamless cloud storage across multiple Apple devices. And finally, at number 5, we have Amazon Drive. Amazon Drive is a cloud storage solution offered by Amazon, designed to store photos, videos, and documents. While it's not as widely known as some of its competitors, it offers a solid option for users who are already familiar with Amazon services, particularly those who are Prime members. Amazon Drive provides affordable storage solutions and deep integration with Amazon Photos, making it a great choice for photo enthusiasts. Key features: Amazon Drive offers 5 GB of free storage, with paid plans starting at $19.99 per year for 100 GB. For Amazon Prime members, the service includes unlimited photo storage, a feature that is hard to beat. It supports a wide range of file types, including documents, images, and videos. The Amazon Drive app allows easy uploading from mobile devices, and it also integrates with Amazon Photos for an enhanced photo storage experience. Benefits and usage: Amazon Drive's unlimited photo storage for Prime members is a major draw, especially for those with large photo libraries. Additionally, the affordable pricing for additional storage space makes it a practical solution for users looking for budget-friendly cloud storage. The integration with Amazon Photos also makes it easy to organize and view your photo collection. Usability: Amazon Drive is simple to use, with apps for Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. It allows you to upload and organize your files effortlessly. However, it does not have as many collaboration tools as some of its competitors, so it's better suited for personal storage needs. For Prime members, accessing photos from any device is a seamless experience. Durability: Amazon Drive benefits from Amazon's reliable infrastructure, ensuring that your data is securely stored and accessible. With Amazon's focus on data security, your files are encrypted during transmission and storage. The service is reliable and offers strong uptime, backed by one of the world's largest cloud computing companies. In conclusion, the best cloud storage device for you depends on your specific needs and ecosystem. Whether you're looking for tight integration with a suite of productivity tools, affordability, or advanced security features, there's a service for everyone. Hopefully, this review has made it easier to choose the cloud storage device that works best for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tech insights.